I think I can proudly say before everybody else discovered what a fantastic actor she is with Highway. I had the pleasure of working with her on 2 states around the same time, and I'm glad that what I felt about her impulsively, that she's definitely a fantastic actor, has got validated with all the success and all the love that she's got for Highway. It was a fantastic experience as an actor. I made a fantastic friend in this journey with her and Abhishek Varman, so it's been a fantastic working experience.
He's a lovely boy. So Krish's character, literally, I would feel bad when I would have to fight with him, you know, in the scene, because when you look at him, you just want to hug him, and you know, you automatically fall in love with him. And obviously, when Chetan wrote the book, since Chetan was Krish, he didn't probably indulge in explaining how cute Krish is, but I got the chance to see that. My character Ananya Swaminathan, she is a very ambitious girl, and she's very spunky, very fiery, very dedicated, and both Ananya and Krish want to get good jobs and want to make a life of their own so that they can support themselves and do what they want to do and make their parents proud like everybody wants to. So yes, Ananya does get a job at Sunsilk, and that is where actually Krish actually comes to Chennai also for her. That is written in the book. He also gets a job in Chennai, and that is how the first step of convincing the parents starts.
So you mentioned that towards the beginning of the film, you wear a lot of ethnic fusion kind of apparel. But
Yes.
later, as your character progresses, you start working.
Yes.
Do we see a change in your look?
Yes, you do. Then the saris and the salwars come in. I've worn a lot of saris in the film, but again, keeping it very simple and very traditional. When Manish is doing costume, you really have nothing to worry about. So yeah, it does go into a more mature space as the character matures also.
So personally, which look do you prefer?
I love wearing saris.
Okay.
Loved it. And Arjun loved that also.
Yeah, I was about to say, she actually carried them off really nicely. Essentially, Krish in the film doesn't carry an accent. He's a regular boy. The whole idea was, I don't think she meant accent. She meant to speak the Tamil to get the pronunciation right. Abhishek Varman, our director, was very clear from day one. He never wanted Krish and Ananya to look caricaturish from where they hail, never represent that in a caricaturish way. If you saw both these characters in a college, you should not be able to tell, yes, South Indian or yeah, he's a Punjabi. It had to look as normal as possible. So the body language or the way of behaving is supposed to be very day-to-day and normal. So there was nothing required for me at the physical front to change or to be worried about. And I speak in a very normal way, as you've seen in the trailer. In fact, he speaks very softly. He's a very soft-spoken, slightly mumbly-jumbly kind of guy in that sense. So there was nothing to play up the Punjabiness in the film, except there's a time in the film where a wedding happens, and to cheer her up, he gets into doing a Punjabi jig. That's a dance. That's the only time you really see his Punjabiyat come out.
You have an intimate scene in the film. How did your father or your family reacted to this?
Have you seen my father's films?
Yeah, but then his daughter doing it on screen. But his daughter doing on screen is different.
But on screen, I'm an actor. On screen, I'm not his daughter. And anyway, I don't think he'll have a problem with it.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.